So this is the image I'm going to use. So now select the text tool, left click, and now left click, and now type your text. Control A to select all text, and now double click here, and now I'm going to type Anton. So I want to use Anton regular as the font. For the size, I will go with 450, press enter, select the move tool, and now I'm going to place my layer, my text layer here. So let's select the alignment tool. Make sure the align is relative to the image, and now I'm going to align it horizontally. So here it is centered. Now select the move tool. Now I'm going to duplicate my text layer, select it, and then click on this icon here to duplicate the layer. And now I'm going to select the bottom text layer, this one here. Select the flip tool, left click here. Make sure the direction is vertical, and then left click. So here it is flipped. And now select the move tool. And now while moving, hold the control key to move it on a straight line. So like this. So now I'm just going to place it here like this. So I'm going to leave it here. And now press plus on your keyboard to zoom in. And now I'm going to drag a guide from up here, left click, and then drag. I'm going to place it right here like this, where the flip text ends. Press minus on your keyboard to zoom out. And now go to layer, then crop layers to content. So our flip text is cropped. And now select the perspective tool. Go to view. Make sure snap to guides here is checked. And now I'm just going to move the handles here. Now I'm going to move this handle here. So I'm going to move it here. So you can still, for example, like this, extend it over the layer. So here I think I'm going to leave it here, and now press enter. And now right click on the flip text, right click on it, layer to image size. Now I'm going to blur it a little bit. So go to filter, blur, and then select Gaussian blur. I'm going to increase a little bit the blur. So I'm going to, I think, leave it here. So I'm going to leave it here, and now press OK. And now I'm going to add layer mask to my flip text. Right click on it, add layer mask, and then check the white full opacity layer mask, and then add. And now make sure you're selecting layer mask. Select the gradient tool. The foreground is black and the background is white. Make sure the gradient is FG to BG RGB. This will go from black to white. So on a layer mask, the black represents transparency and the white opacity. So by tracing with using the gradient here from black to white on the layer mask, it will make our text fade. So now I'm going to left click, hold the control key to trace a straight line. So here, now I'm going to move the gradient here, and now I'm going to control my gradient. So here like this. And now once you like the effect, just press enter. And now press plus on your keyboard to zoom in. And now select the move tool, left click on the flipped layer, this one here, select it. Don't select the layer mask, select the layer. Left click here on the Canva, and now just use the up arrow key on your keyboard to move the layer upward. So just to place it right under our text. So I'm going to leave it here, and now press minus on your keyboard to zoom out. And now go to image, guides, remove all guides.